Ever broken the straps on your compression sack? Well, I'm going to show you how to avoid that. I'm Nerissa, I'm the gear specialist at Outdoor Vitals, and I'm going to show you the right way to stuff a sleeping bag. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a little bonus trick to get your sleeping bag as small as possible that you're not going to want to miss. This is our 15-degree Atlas in the regular length, and so we have our compression sack, and I like to start at the toe box, and you just start pushing it in. I like to rotate the bag while I'm stuffing it. You want to get even stress along all the seams, and you'll be pushing out the air as you go. You may have seen Tayson's video where you can fold it to get the air out before stuffing it. That is an acceptable way to go. I think this one is faster, so we'll maybe have to have it out.
By the way, don't try to get the air out too fast. Like, don't jump on the bag or anything like that. If you do, you can risk damaging the bag and opening the seams.
All right, now we get to the end. And you'll just want to, as it's trying to push back out, just kind of push it down, cinch it a little bit. I like to stick my fist right there and then pull down. And then you just pull the pull tab. And now the bag is as stuffed as it can be at this point. I like to do a little loop. It ties up the string and it keeps the slider from coming out at all. So you just do a quick release knot like this. And now we put the cap on. Now this compression strap doesn't have buckles. Each one is a slide lock. So you'll just thread it through. So this is as small as it is going to be without further compression. And at this point, a lot of people are tempted to pull down on the straps themselves to compress the bag. But what that does is no matter how good a fabric you use, this will strain the seams and it'll break. Whether it's the first use or the 5th use or the 10th use, it will break if you continue to do that. Remember my bonus trick? What you need to do is actually use weight to compress the bag. And what this will do is it will keep you from ripping your straps out and being one of those people that calls me for a replacement sack, which I see quite often in our returns department. And this will take time because there is still air in the insulation, but you just keep working at it using body weight. You might have to shift things a little bit as the shape changes, but you'll see you get a nice small bag that's ready to go back in your backpack. Now that you know how to properly stuff it for storing in your backpack while on the trail, you'll want to learn more about how to care for it at home because you won't want to leave it like this there. Check out our gear care playlist for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trail.